them out like a pencil using the rudders. Normally the aircraft are odd numbers on the left, even numbers on the right, but Red One pushes them into reverse battle. This time with even numbers on the left. Now switching them back the right way round, he does this through the slalom. The aircraft now back into battle formation. The smoke about to come on for the battle pass.